lead generation is not broken, your system is. Watch me set an ICP, hit start, and get verified contacts and sendable openers in minutes. For agency founders who sell real work, this replaced tabs, guesswork, and burnout. I'm going to show you 5-step loop and the exact software that uses this system to generate amazing qualified leads. Stay to the end and I'm going to give you the case study walkthrough I didn't have time to cover here. If you need 10k leads overnight, this video is not for you. If you want 300 to up to 1,000 qualified leads with context you can actually send, keep on watching. So we're just going to use this target configuration to find, let's say I'm going to put the industry as agencies, leave the target row as founders and owners. Let's say I just want the United States. Company size can be 11 to 50. Tech stack, I'm going to put Google Drive and HubSpot. Lead quantity, I'm going to leave it at 500. And I'm going to click start generation. This is currently doing its job and it's just one click, no keys, no drivers, no update your scraper, just start generation. Now it's running and I'll come back to you when the live generation has finished and we'll get to the next steps. All right, so it's found 500 companies, verified 484 and generated 386. It verified the emails, it generated openers, and here you can see every single one of them. 386 generated leads. If this is exactly what you need, there's a link below for a 30-minute call that you can book, and I'll see if I can help you. So something is going to be blurred since, I mean, for privacy. But if I were to go into like one of these, it would give me every single thing that you need. So here we have mainly the main parts. And the lead status, we could change it to not sent, sent, or follow up. Personalized outreach message, personal summary, company background, recent company news, key offerings, customer sentiment, company summary, links and sources, and here there is the source, and you got the email, you got the LinkedIn, you got his name. I mean, you get the point. It's incredible. This is the fourth part, the lead details. Literally everything into one place. And of course, since there are thousands of these, you can always choose. I mean, since we just put for US, you don't need all locations and sizes. But if we were you to use it for like 1,000 of them, you could change between the location, the size, even if you have ones in your sheet that you could put in if you exported it here. You could choose the ones if you want to see what your highest priorities and literally search for them in here, and you're going to get all of these ones for you. So, and for the sake of the analytics, let's say we're just going to put not sent for the first one, and let's put this other one as sent. Then for the next one, we're going to just put it as follow-up. So we could just see how it really does work. 2 sent. Looks like I just maybe clicked 2 for some reason instead of 1. 1 follow-up and 1 not sent. This conversion is really mainly just for the emails for now, but of course can be changed to literally your conversion for them opening the emails. Lead activity over time. It's just pretty nice simple interface you have here. And I didn't have the time to show the full case study. Book a call below. If you prefer DIY, grab the backend system I use here. Okay, the backend system that I use for this, and there are some recent videos on it.